Okay guys, 2018 Ram 3500 limited edition, diesel motor. So they got pretty new wheels and tires on it. Limited badging. Rear heated seats, has some cup holders there. Looks like you can probably subwoofer there. Looks like, I believe this does have a lift on it. Looks like Skyjacker. It's an 8-foot bed. Parking sensors. Looks like it's got spray and Bedliner on it. This is a rebuilt title, had damage on the front, basically all the way down the side. Just want to take a little second look here so see it, everything is how it should be. Doors open as they should. Limited. Start this thing up for you. $27,000 miles on this beast. 4-wheel drive, heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. It's got a cargo backup cam. Media, radio. See all the other apps it has here. Backup camera. It does have the Alpine sound system in there. Remote start there on the key. Give this beast run. Check out all our inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.